Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Mathematics, Section 3.4, Problem 16. This is Section 3.4, Problem 16. It says multiply the given numbers, and we have 432 times 0.63. So to multiply this, just at first ignore the decimals. Just multiply 432 times 63. Get an answer for that, and then put the decimal where it needs to go. So 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times 4 is 12. Then go down one row and multiply the 6. So if I go down one row, I want to put in a 0 to hold my place. 6 times 2 is 12. Right, the 2 carry the 1. 6 times 3 is 18. 18 plus the 1 that I carried is 19. Write the 9, carry the 1. 6 times 4 is 24. 24 plus the 1 more that I carried is 25. And the 0 in front I really don't need to worry about. And I can add those results together. So 6 plus 0 is 6. 9 plus 2 is 11. Write the 1, carry the 1. And I have 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 9 is 12. For 12, write the 2, carry the 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 5 more is 7. And then nothing plus 2 is just 2. So without the decimal, I'd have an answer of 27,216. But now I have to put the decimal in the right spot. So go to the question and count the number of places altogether after the decimal. So only 2. The 432 didn't even have a decimal. So I have 2 places after the decimal in the question. So I have to have 2 places after the decimal in my answer. That would put the decimal between the 2 and the 1. And I have an answer of 272.16.